Ka ophis treikam ka tnat Divisional Forest Officer DFO Jaiñtia Hills Wildlife Division haka arpway tarik Risaw ka pynkut ika taiew lehkmen Wildlife Week haka jingïalang bala pynlong hahol ka dorbar shnong Tpep Pale Jowai. Haka ni ka sngi pynkut ka tnat wildlife ka pynkup burom ru daka Wildlife Samaritan Award ya kat prangut kiriu shimet kumju southly ki kinhun ki ban West Jaintia Hills but East Jaintia Hills halor ka jingdon benta jangki ban palat imi ki merat baper. Na don lang haka ni ka sngi WSM Sahay IFS Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Wildlife Shillong kumukongsan ka DV Lingdo ADC West Jaintia Hills District upike Agrahari IFS Chief Conservator of Forest Wildlife Shillong, Upi Khade IFS Assistant Conservator of Forest Jaiñtia Hills Territorial Division Jowai, Kmen Lalu IFS Divisional Forest Officer Jowai. WSM Sahay habakren kumukongsan, ulay ro ekjala meglaya kabadon yung kishnong kitaw bashim kiaban penek pensa ikiklaw kipetap naduk kipor min barim. Bakani ka dayru shibenta ban penek pensa ikimrat klaw bat jing thaw ba im haka nadu ki bahe hadu ki barit. Loong bagajala meglaya ka longru ka baar hakari ka badon ye ki klaw bala ay jing ada kerpang bat sien kansawan baningkong. Shwa kani kasngi nakaliang katanat wildlife kala pelongru da kajing ko beper kum kajing tho essay drawing but extempo speech ki badon jing ade halor kajing don kam ban penek pensa bat ay jing ada ye ki marat klaw.
What is so great about wildlife conservation that we have to devote a full week and practically almost a month because of other practical reasons to carry out different activities which enhances wildlife conservation. The answer is very simple. We as human beings on this planet Earth, we have ignored all other species belonging to different flora and fauna in front of one species which is our own species, Homo sapiens. Just because maybe other species may look smaller, may not be speaking in the language which we speak among ourselves. But then if you go into deep, the importance of all other species, even for human survival and success, the importance of all other species of flora fauna is equally important or is equally there, if not more. Just because human beings, we have high intellect, we have come in terms of development of brain to a high level, we have tried to ignore the importance of all other species which are present here, which are equally important. And I'm not talking about which are equally important for themselves, which are equally important even for our own survival.
Meghalaya has a history of community participation in forest and wildlife conservation. It's there in their tradition, which is very good if we see the cause for that. Under Wildlife Protection Act, through the instruments of community reserves, we have seen Meghalaya has been in the forefront, and we have been second in the country as far as the numbers of community reserves is concerned, and soon we will be surpassing Nagaland, and we will be number one in the country in terms of number of community reserves notified under the Wildlife Protection Act here in the state. So that is very heartening to see, because that basically indicates the amount of collaboration, amount of so to say joint efforts which department and the community is putting forth for the cause of biodiversity and wildlife conservation.